Hi, welcome to Coding Monday. This is Vishnu Agarwal, and today I am going to talk about break at end true or false conditions in the EV3 motor blocks. So let's open the software in the laptop and discuss about it. All the motor control blocks have a break at end parameter with the choices brake and coast. So like in the single medium motor block, single large motor block, move steering and move tank. So this is the option where you can choose between brake at end or coast at end. So for now I will consider only single large motor block to explain this concept. So let's delete other blocks. So now let's make a program to run the single large motor with the condition both motor blocks brake at end. So for that already I have one large motor block. Set the power 25. Take a wait block, make it for 2 seconds, and again same thing, power 25 and wait for 2 seconds. So this wait for 2 seconds is so that we can see the changes in the degrees after each block, after block 1 and after block 2. So now let's play the program and see how this is working in the port view. So it turned exactly 720 degrees. So after each block it turned 360 degrees. Basically after this first block it turned 360 degrees, and after second block it turned around same 360 degrees. So overall it turned exactly 720 degrees. Now let's make another program in which change the condition of the first motor block to coast at end and see the motor position in the port view. So for that let's change this to coast and play the program and see what is the difference. So after first rotation you can see it turned around 430 degrees, and after completing second block rotation it completed 720 degrees. The first move steering block moved the motor one rotation and then coasted a bit further. Next, instead of making the motor rotation an additional 360 degrees, the second motor block moved the motor just enough so that the total distance covered was 2 rotations or 720 degrees. This program works fine, but if you want it to move an additional 360 degrees with the second block, no matter how much the robot has moved so far, what are you going to do for that? So the problem we need to solve is that the firmware tracks how far the motors coast after a move completes and then uses that information for the next move. So to cancel this offset, we need to use a single large motor block in stop mode with the brake at end parameter set to brake. And this single large motor block should be added before the second large motor block and make it off. Because the motor is not moving at this point in the program, the new block should only cancel the offset caused by the previous coasting. So now let's play the program and see if the problem is resolved or not. This time the first large motor block moved the motor 360 degrees and then coasted a little further. The second large motor block moved the motor an additional 360 degrees. Adding the new block changed the behavior so that the final large motor block moved the full distance. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Robo-G. See you next week. Till then, bye bye.